Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hello,
I
good
can, yeah,
afternoon.
I can see you now. Hello, everyone. Welcome in. Let's connect with Prerna. Today we have Promini ma'am here, principal of St. M.R. Japuria School, Lucknow. And today we will be talking about her journey being an academician to managing a well-known school of Lucknow, St. M.R. Japuria being with us. Also about online classes because of pandemic. And most importantly, the latest news about cancellation of class 12 board examination. Ma'am, welcome in. Let's connect with Prerna.
Hello, Prerna. Thank you so
Yeah,
much. Thank you so much for inviting me.
yeah, ma'am. So, ma'am, please share your journey from a teacher, for a decade, and then being a principal.
It's basically a journey of a lot of passion. So, as I said, I was passionate about my children
Yeah,
and very sensitive towards them. For me,
yeah,
my children were the most important.
yeah.
So now, principal also, my children are like my domain. Everything is for them. So there is no change as such because I moved up in the same institution. So
Right.
I had a lot of friends and a lot of good connections and bond. It's
Yeah.
basically moving from the staff room to the principal's room. Nothing.
So, as a being a principal, from being a teacher to being a principal, so many responsibilities, as in terms of managerial level. So,
Yeah, but it's easy. As I told you, there are so many people who were always with me and who are with me. So
right,
not much of a change. I shouldn't say there is a change, but yes,
right.
some time were there. Invited work at that time. Invite work even now. It's fine.
Ma'am, we've been seeing a lot of change. Obviously, I mean, the online education, online classes are the mode as of now. So, how is Japuria managing it? Are we taking care of some special techniques to take the classes of online teaching? I mean, what are the methods are we including when we say that to make it more interesting with students?
You see, basically, Jaipur is a lot about not only, of course, that is the epicenter, but apart from that, education is not
Right,
the books. There are so many things. There are student-led initiatives. There is the art, craft, games, everything. So we've taken care for us. Education is inclusive, and we are following that policy even in the online module. So we've graduated from WhatsApp to the videos made by teachers, sharing them to now completely online because we find the connection between the teacher and the student is possible
right.
only with online class. And the discipline also can be maintained in a student's life when you have online life class. So we wanted to develop those skills. That is why we have
Ma'am, I think there is some problem with the audio at your end. So, I mean, I can see the comments
yeah,
have to be a bit.
loud. Are you
Yeah,
able to hear? Are you
I,
able
I
to hear?
am I am able to hear, yes, but I can see some comments where they say that your voice.
I saw
Now
that.
now it's now, yeah.
Yeah. So this is what I was saying. Basically, we try to make changes in our system to make it inclusive, so that
Right,
we can cater to every interest.
right,
And we're doing activities, yoga, devotional music, spiritual retreat as well, and all the online intra-school competitions as well inter-school competitions, because we believe that each of these is
right.
responsible for education. Education is not confined to books. Physics, chemistry, biology are a part of life, but
Yeah,
they are not the whole. They do not make an individual complete.
right, right. So how are we taking care of the classes where a proper physical demonstration is to be taken care? So when we talk about classes where physical demonstration is needed or maybe the lab is needed, so how are we taking care of
So,
it?
so there, the teachers introduce experiments, and they do the experiment. And sometimes we throw it open to children. We ask them to do an experiment in junior school and
Yeah,
bring it to us and share the video, which is shared in the class.
right, right, right. And ma'am, how do you see the cancellation of class, 12th board examination? So your message to the students who were in class 12, they prepared all this while and
Yeah, so they did prepare all this while, and I can only tell them life is to move on. You do
yeah,
not have more than anything else, the pandemic has taught each one of us somewhere, we human beings went wrong. We thought everything is under our control. So probably that
Yeah.
was God's way of telling us that things
Right.
are not under our control completely.
Yeah.
So students have to think what is in their control. They have to happily accept the disruption in the board exam and consider them in a certain way to be getting an experience about change being the only constant.
Right.
So they are there to experience the truth in this dictum.
Right.
And since they don't have any control over the outside situation, they better
Yeah.
control the situation inside and
Yeah.
empower. They could be either like an eagle who, when it starts raining, moves above the clouds
Yeah.
and gives strength to its wings, and then becomes absolutely calm and enjoys the stillness and floats in the air without
Yeah.
making any effort. Or they could be like the tiny birds who rush when they get a signal of rain, they
Yeah.
rush towards their nest. So each one of us is different. The child has to find what solution suits him best, but not brood over what has happened.
Right.
Solutions have to be found. They have to empower themselves to find the
Right.
right solution. Examinations in colleges, entrance tests
Right.
will happen, competitive exams will happen. So this is the time to think of them. If one door is closed, the other will surely open.
So true.
This is my only message. Move on.
Ma'am, yeah, so true. And we all have to have this mantra of moving on because it's okay. I mean, yeah, the things are where health and education is there. So I am sure that health is the priority. We all have to be safe at these moments.
True, true, very well said. Absolutely right. They have to be happy that they're safe.
Right, right. Ma'am, do you think the quality of education would suffer due to wholesale promotion? As in, on the other side, students would become complacent because it's second time that the batches have been promoted without examination.
So again, true to a certain extent, but then we have to understand what is meant by education. So there are two kinds of, I put this into two categories and I'll
Right.
reply looking at the two categories. So category one is where, and when I say category one, I don't mean students. I
Yeah.
refer students as well as adults. And when
Yeah.
we talk of adults, it is teachers as well as parents, adults who manage students.
Yeah.
The first category is where the entire approach to education is mark centric.
Right.
Success in education is about getting a particular rank, getting a good percentage, irrespective of the process through which marks are obtained. For
True.
this group, of course, quality of education has been lowered because somewhere they may have used certain kinds of means, or they may have become complacent, thinking
Right.
that online examination, getting the marks there is much easier. Now,
Yes.
the second category which Jaipuria would like to breed is the one which has a more inclusive approach to education, where
Yeah.
marks are essential because they are one of the many parameters of evaluating the information and understanding a student has of the subject he or she is studying.
Right.
But then this group understands that the approach to getting these marks and the road to this outcome is more valuable because
Yeah.
that's what makes the education more meaningful.
Yeah.
This education teaches us life skills like
Right.
self-discipline, regularity, perfection, finding solutions to challenges, grabbing
Yeah.
opportunities, and they can be picked up in the online education even better because they
Yes.
have more time. And many times they said they wanted to do certain things, but they're not able to do. So now
Right.
is the time for them to take student-led initiatives, get into opportunities which the school or any other media offering them,
Right.
find them, understand what information they should find which is suitable for them.
Yeah.
For such people, for such people, uh, it is not lowering the standard of education. They
Right.
can never be complacent because they find solutions.
So, yeah, I think very rightly said, ma'am. And I mean, it's actually as we said 5 minutes before that it's because of the health that health keeping the health in priority that government has also taken such decisions. Uh, Ma'am, another thing I would like to ask that our system is, finally exam centric, especially for board classes. How would you decide the streams for those promoted from class 10th to class 11th. So how are we deciding on these streams?
So we could, I mean, we were not sure whether what would be the approach of the board, how exams would happen, and if
Right.
they happen, when would the result be declared. So in the
Yeah.
month of January itself, we had told our parents and students that we would not base the stream
Yeah.
selection the board exams. We had
Okay.
informed them this,
Okay.
and we had shared with them the grade 9 and the grade 8 marks of the child as well.
Yeah.
So, and we are going to follow this system forever now for quite some time.
Right.
We will, yeah, still this uncertainty prevails. So the student was aware of this. So that is why when they chose the streams, we took into consideration the offline class 10 pre-board exam that we could conduct. But if for some reason the child had not given or could not score, then
Yeah.
we went back to the child's class 9 grades. And if there also some children had a little bit of deficiency in one subject or the other, we went to
Yeah.
grade 8 grades. Since they were aware of this, so we wanted them to accept this procedure. We thought we had made a very scientifically designed process. But yes, sometimes people really want only PCM or PCB and nothing else. Well, I
Right.
just suggestion to them that you have to start evaluating your performance right from grade 7 onwards to find not to stick to the dream of becoming a doctor and engineer, but to also see what effort you have made in that direction. That is
Right.
more. So this is what we had educated them about. This is what we have started. Eventually, we did some counseling sessions with those who were not getting their desire.
Okay. Ma'am, what is the future of education in India with the new policy of education systems?
Well, I find the picture to be very rosy, very, very encouraging. If we start following
Right.
that system is not final exam centric, and that
Right.
system will give the child the skills to be employable. At present,
Yes.
in our country, uh, if we look at the numbers, according to numbers, people have degrees. But we
Yeah.
have to really ask this question, how many of us are really a good resource for our employer? How
Right.
many of us are really a good resource for the business in which we are? How many of us can handle the disruptions? How many of
Right.
us have collaboration skills? The skills of the present generation are
Yeah.
creativity and collaboration. If we survived the pandemic, it was because of creativity, effort,
Yeah.
and collaborative efforts of the scientists, of the fraternity of doctors,
Right.
of the fraternity of health workers, of the fraternity of school teachers,
Yes.
and parents who were ready to hold hands with them.
Right.
These are skills with the new education policy will be able to give to children because the assessment pattern is going to be different. It will not be rigid. You could be interested in geography
Yeah.
and in chemistry, and you could study both of them till you
Right.
became mature enough to decide whether you should take the course of chemistry or geography. And
Right.
then technical education is so much needed in this country.
So
So
true. Yes.
I feel new education policy is going to work wonders because there is also thrust on the development of Indian culture and Indian languages
Right.
and things like yoga. So I feel we need to empower our teachers to come out of their mindset of
Yeah.
marking the way they've been marking on marks, and it has to be a more outcome based approach.
Right.
So
Right.
encouraging.
Yeah. Ma'am, one thing I would like to address all the teachers because I see I've been, talking to so many principals, and one thing I can very clearly see that all this while because of pandemic and a sudden switch from offline to online. So I think that teachers का बहुत ज़्यादा important role रहा है इस पूरे 2 साल की इस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में. सो आपका मैसेज मैम उन सभी टीचर्स के लिए जो हमें अभी देख रही हैं या जो हमें बाद में हमारा जब वीडियो देखेंगे उनके लिए.
You are the best, and you can find the best solutions, you are the most resilient community. So I'm proud that I'm associated with this community.
Yeah, so true. Ma'am, before we conclude our conversation, your message to all the students, and I mean, all general, I mean, all the students, and then also to the parents.
Yes, you see, the pandemic has saddened us in many, many ways. There have
Right.
been losses, and the biggest loss I feel is the loss of life. There are people who've lost
Definitely.
jobs. There are people who've lost businesses. They are
Yes.
lost because they disrupt everything. They trouble you mentally. There is a lot
Yeah.
of emotion. But nothing is heavier than the loss of a human life. So
So true.
deepest sympathies with all those who've lost somebody, but all the others have to be empathetic to them. At the same time, I have to tell them that this is tough that you face such a loss. However, life has to move on. Even if
Yeah.
you are upset, even if you are under a lot of stress, depressed internally, find ways to be positive, find
Yeah.
ways to lift your spirit, because what you've lost will not come back. Think of the happy memories you have with those people, because those happy memories will help you to
Right.
move on. Give yourself time. Take time away from everything. Connect with yourself and pray for His grace rather than questioning Him why this has happened. Maybe that was the best He found. So my request to everybody is to be empathetic to those who have lost someone, to those who have lost
Yeah.
jobs or their businesses. I can only say calm yourself
Right.
and try to find a solution, because life is, it may be
Right.
bad for you just now, but it is not bad. There is a solution. Turmoils have been there, but you can come out of a turmoil only if you keep yourself internally very, very strong, peaceful.
Definitely, ma'am.
When
Yeah.
you find consciously, when you try to raise your awareness by finding peace, stay away from anything
Such
negative.
encouraging words, ma'am. Yeah. Really
Stay away from
encouraging. I
anything.
mean,
Don't seep into that negativity. Don't seep yourself. Don't soak yourself in that depressing moment,
true.
because has to move on. You don't have any control over the movement of life. So you have
Right.
to find within.
So true. So true. And thank you so much, Promini ma'am, for coming online and sharing your views on so many things, especially online education and the message for students for class 12 students where the board examinations have been cancelled. Your words were really very encouraging, and I really look forward for more sessions like this. Thank you for being here, ma'am, and giving us your time. I can understand for teachers, principals, this entire online system has been so occupying. I can understand that your schedule must be very, very busy. So,
Yeah, but that's hats off to my teachers.
yeah.
There's so many arms of the school. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Promini ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much. Thank you, everybody, for watching us. All right, ma'am. Thank you.